Friday night. What are you making for dinner? I know I struggled for so many years on Friday nights. I would be super restrictive with my food during the week. I'd have a couple adult beverages on Friday and then let's go bake something. Let's dive into the chips. I would never actually plan dinners out, and that got me into a bad situation because I would always overeat, and then the next day I would feel like crap. I would beat myself up emotionally, tons of food regret. What do I do now? I make dinner every Friday. Tonight, I'm gonna make, we call it in my family, meatza. I'll use ground turkey. Tonight I'm using ground bison. I'll brown that with an onion, and I use, this is my very favorite sauce from Trader Joe's as the pasta sauce. And I'll put in some crumbled goat cheese. That will be the topping with we have to do a gluten-free crust. Bake the crust first, put that on. And then for a veg, super lazy. I buy this sweet kale salad from Costco. It's super yummy, roasted. Yes, it's freezing out. I do not want to eat a cold salad right now. You know I love the big ass salad, the BAS, but right now, it's wintertime, I want something warm. I put that in the oven, I spray it with olive oil cooking spray, and I roast it at 425 for about 10 minutes. It gets a little bit brown and crunchy, and it is delicious. That way, guess what? I'm actually having a meal. I'm not really drinking my calories and then eating crap afterwards, and then I wake up on Saturday and feel so much better. If you struggle with the same thing, plan your dinners out. Just because it's Friday doesn't mean you should take a break from yourself or your health, because your health is your greatest wealth. Have a great Friday.